for COVID at Notre Dame, University of North Carolina, and Illinois State. This was by September 9. Not one hospitalization. Nationwide, hospitalizations are down 16% just from September 1st, 50% since July 23rd. And you still can't go into a nail salon in California, or at least we're in Los Angeles. Arizona's rolling 7-day average has more than doubled in the last 2 weeks, mostly in the Tucson area around the University of Arizona. Yet hospitalizations statewide have been flat and are about the same as in early April. Only 122 intensive care beds in the state are occupied by COVID patients, compared to 970 at the peak 2 months ago. You hear that? 1/9. 1/9 of the ICU beds are used as compared to 2 months ago. So why are there lockdowns? Really, why are there? It's not an easy question to answer. It's a combination of fools, power hunger, desire to smash Trump's economy. It's a very complex sort of ingredients. They make a very interesting point here at the Wall Street Journal. Reopening college campuses for in-person classes may keep older generations safer and perhaps limit a third wave. Yes. Because they get together, kids, they bring home COVID, and parents or grandparents can get infected. But if the kids are off to college, they're not infecting anybody. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention data show per capita hospitalizations declined 70% among those 65 and older in the week ending September 12th, the latest data, from the week ending July 25th. Among 18 to 29-year-olds, per capita hospitalizations have fallen 77%. Trends could change, but there's no reason so far to panic over COVID on campus. It's one of the reasons I am proud to be a conservative. At the New York Times, there is just hysteria and mendacity. At the Wall Street Journal, there is a love of truth and no hysteria. Oh, some of you will remember, if you're a long-time listener, this is a little dark, what I'm about to say, but I'm going to say it anyway. When I think about, let's say being on a plane that, for whatever reason, was going down, the thing that I fear the most is the people screaming. One of the noble things of the human being is the ability to control oneself. And that's not been taught in our secular age, because you don't work on yourself. You work on society. You don't work on yourself. So people panic so easily. God, I wish I had a video of this girl who saw me without a mask outside. And, she made a point. She exaggeratedly walked around me rather than by me with her Black Lives Matter mask. Folks, I want you to know I would pay serious money to have her as a guest on this show. There are so many things I'd want to ask her. But alas, our paths, well, I can't say they crossed. I was circled, not crossed. That's correct indeed.